Welcome back to Financierpro, everyone. Thank you for being here. Please subscribe or follow whichever platform you're on. I put together the 10 best streams of income I could think of, and one of them, which I still do because I work from home and I love it, your job. Your job. You're probably making 50, 60,000 or even more per year. What if you love your job? Why do you have to quit if you're making side income, royalties or a side gig or whatever? I've done it. I've done Uber, Amazon delivery, everything. Everything you could possibly think of. But my best income comes from royalties. Um, you know, other streams of digital income, things like that, podcast, um, music, because I have Lofi music on different streaming platforms. So I put it under royalties. It's all basically royalties every month. It comes in once a month. So that's what I do as far as that because I love digital products and I'm continuously researching digital products, that I can make money on. But these are 10 of the best ones, and number one is your job. Why do you have to quit it? You don't have to quit your job if you love it. Keep your job, especially if you're working from home and keep making that money, you know. So, number two is what side gigs, like I named Uber, you have Grubhub, DoorDash, especially Uber Eats. A lot of people would rather do Uber Eats instead of having people in their actual vehicle, and you can at least make 500 to 1,000 extra a month with that. Make sure you protect yourself as well, but you can easily make that much a month. That should cover something. you know Offer a service. Number three, you can offer a service. Become a freelance writer, or a freelance digital marketer, advertiser, virtual assistant, things like that. Just go on a freelancer.com or pro blogger or even Upwork and just research. See what you're good at, and if you can write papers, if you can write articles, if you can write ebooks, they are always looking for that. You know, don't be afraid to be a ghostwriter because we're living in a time now that doesn't even mean anything. As long as it's not copyrighted. So you can always sell items online. I read an article on CNBC where this lady had just started selling her own clothes on I forgot the name of the I believe it's a app. Someone else would think of it in the comments, but there's an app you can sell clothes on, and you can start your own thrift store basically. On this app or sell them on eBay, Amazon, whatever. If you got any antique furniture or anything like that, you can sell that online. Just do your research and see what's selling. That's all. You can create a course. Create a course. There's a lot of people selling courses, especially in credit repair. If a person has a large following, they probably have a course. They probably have a course because they have the experience of what they're putting out, what they're teaching, etc. So I have a lot of experience in credit, and I haven't even put a course out yet because I have a book on it. And I would rather be like a credit counselor than trying to handle all these accounts myself. I would rather have people do their own credit. But I've had people message me and they will pay me whatever to work on their credit, which is, it takes a lot and I don't have time to do that. So I will have to charge a lot to take the time out of my day to focus on one person or multiple people. So think about what your creative course in and how to do that. Selling a digital product, ebook, low content, graphic art, stock photos, things like that, audio, creating videos. which takes time. None of this is overnight. You will not get rich with this overnight. You have to put the time in, put the effort in. Number seven, you can rent property, which a lot of people can't do because their credit is trash and they don't have the funds. So diversify your income with real estate. I know that that's one thing I was watching the Titans of Wall Street when the stock market crashed in the 1920s. I believe it was 1929, and J.P. Morgan was looking around thinking about what he could what he could buy and make money off of in all of the chaos. And one of the cheapest things you could buy that people will need is real estate. Real estate. Now that we talk about that, number eight, we could crowdfund real estate. They have crowdfunding apps like Fundrise and different REITs, things like that. I know Lofty is a great one that's on the Algorand blockchain that you can earn or get paid in crypto or cash out in fiat, you know. So Lofty.ai is another one that I have. I have a bunch of real estate on Lofty. That you earn rent every single day on Lofty. So Fundrise is different, but I know on Lofty for sure you earn every single day. Invest in bonds. You can invest in bonds like the U.S. Treasury bonds. Now that they're talking about a recession or a Great Depression or whatever, I know those are one of the safest things to invest in are Treasury bonds. Investing in your Roth IRA or 401k, putting more money into that. I have Fidelity myself. I love Fidelity. I love how smooth the website and the app is. So you can look into that. Looking to put more money into ETFs, stocks, things like that, which I have S&P 500. I don't have to look at all these different stocks and things like that. I just have the S&P 500 personally, and I diversify my portfolio if I'm investing in something like that. So it's all about making money. If you max out your Roth IRA, that's a tax benefit every year as well. So think about that. Multiple streams of income is a must when it comes to just general everyday life, period. I look at it like it's just as important as the air we breathe, to be honest with you, recession or not. Because if you just living paycheck to paycheck, that can't be a good feeling at all. That's chaos to me. So you guys, thank you for being here. Please comment below, whatever platform you're on, YouTube, etc. And I'll see you next time on Financier Pro.